Hey everyone, Jake here for Clean Cars Inc. If you've been following us for any kind of time now, you've probably noticed that we do a lot of RVs. To be honest, most of the RVs we get called out to are ones that have been neglected for quite some time and have built up oxidation and other issues that we have to work out. You know, depending on how big the trailer is, how deep the oxidation is it on one side versus another? There's a lot of nuance to it, but you know, our typical job on the RV is recovering something that is already too far gone or close to too far gone for normal products to work on. This customer has a cool story because he had a trailer that was similar to that he was selling, that he called us out on. His in particular was not too far gone. Like, he called us out before it got really bad. We were able to concentrate on just two sides that were the worst versus doing the whole thing. And we were able to get some really good results. He was able to sell it. It only took 8 days, but what he did is he took everything that he learned from us talking about what it takes to get the oxidation removed and how to prevent it, and then added to that by doing research of his own and came out with this RV that's behind us. So everything that he chose, from the type of roof, this fiberglass roof, to the type of finish that's on the RV. He's got the clear bra protectant on the front. He definitely took everything that he learned from that process and applied it to purchasing this RV, even to the extent that now he's only had it for a few weeks and he's called us out to protect it. So we're out here and we did what we do and we took it to the next level. So he wanted us to come out and wax the whole thing, but we are actually using a ceramic infused lotion style sealant for the top. It should be ultra hydrophobic, ultra oleophobic, and it should last probably about 18 months with good care. It's pretty amazing stuff. And the rest of it, the sides, the front, the back, they're all getting polymer carnauba hybrid wax. It's a really good solid wax. Should last a good long time with proper care. It's really an exciting project to do, to get to come out and be a part of the initial protection process versus, you know, just trying to recoup everything that has been lost over the years. So it's a really cool process, and if you're buying an RV or thinking about an RV, I would encourage you to give us a call or shoot us an email and see what it takes. I'd love to have a conversation with you about what it takes to keep up an RV. It is not easy. The sun is super hard on fiberglass. It's super hard on gel coats. And then moving it, the bugs are hard on it. Parking it under trees is hard on the roof. So like, just all around, the conditions that RVs see cause a lot of damage, to be honest, to be frank. And it takes a lot of work to either preemptively prevent this stuff or wait until, you know, it's time to sell it and we do a whole bunch of recovery work, essentially. So give us a call, 336-528-4465, or shoot us an email, triad@cleancarsinc.co. Thanks.